我去，我去！我去，拆车咋这样？我去！
A massive fight broke out between two concrete plants, which escalated into a fight of heavy machines in China. Xingwen Concrete Plant had shown up at the Xinghao Concrete Plant, intending to take over the work on a new development project, one Xinghao employee said. Workers also carried knives and pellet guns. They were ready for a war. At least two people filmed the clash with cell phones, and the video was widely viewed on Chinese websites, calling it a clash of homegrown transformers. Two Xinghao employees were injured, including one driver who was in serious condition after being shot in the chest with a pellet gun. 6 front-end loaders were damaged and 2 were toppled in the street.